Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations. Today I am going to be unboxing the Creative Notions Kids Club box. This is from Creative Notions, and what I've done, if you watched a previous video, I have purchased this for a friend out at work. Her little guy named Sean. Hi, Sean. Is into sewing. So he's 10 years old. He's just learning. I hear he made a bag of some sort for his teacher for school. And so I thought, well, hey, let's get him introduced to some other things. So let me open the box and show you what he's got. And then I want Elizabeth, and she knows who she is because I talked to her mom out of work. If she likes this, she needs to make a comment that yes, she likes it and she wants one. And I will get her one also, and I'll show it to you guys before I give it to her. All right, let's get started. See what's in here. Okay, let's take a look at this box. Move my chair out of the way. It says crafting is fun. And that's what it looks like. All right. Okay, so I don't want to be tearing it up. Let me get a scissors so I can cut it. It's all got to go back in here when I'm finished. Now, let's see what we got for him. So there's a pencil. Oh, it's double-sided. Look at that. And the erasers are really neat. Yeah, he's gonna like that. Okay, let's see. We've got some pens. And these are some really neat pens. I have some of these. These are really good. Here, let me pull one out so you have an idea of the length. They're nice and long. Let's see if I can get it back in there. There we go. And of course, we have a pin cushion to put it on. So that's always good to have. I don't know if he's got his own pin cushion or anything. Here's some candy. He can keep them, give them to his girlfriend, whatever he wants to do. Looks like we got a sucker. Braces, anybody? That's cute. Okay, here is, I call these bookmarks. I had one of these come in my thing. You just take this out here. If this was the page you were on, you just put your little thing like this, either direction, like that. Can mark your page for you. Okay. Seam ripper. Nobody ever has enough seam rippers. I like this kind too. And then we have a little needle threader. And that's what this is. It's to thread your needle. That's pretty neat. Okay. I'll put all this back in here in a minute because I'm going to show everybody what all came in the box. All right, let's see what we got here. So let's see what we have here. Let's see how many. So it's purple and it's orange and I think it's yellow. Is it 3 colors? Yes, 3 colors here. So yellow with the stripes. That has stripes on it. And then the orange has the polka dots and the white. I mean the purple has the polka dots. I was thinking of the white polka dots. Okay. And it's going to be for the lattice. It says, let's make a quilt block. So it looks like that. Has all the directions and everything. And all you got to do is sew those 3 pieces together. So that came in its own little package here. And then let's see. Let me open this one. I think this one has like a yeah, there we go. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, so here's going to be some really neat looking ribbon. That's nice. And I'm going to have to probably show you this. Ooh, look at them colors. Oh, those are nice. This is a nautical bunting. Let me open it up here. Let me spread this out a little bit. There we go. This is from Sugar and Spice. I'm not sure if this is upside down, right side up, or what it is. Well, let's just take a look at it here. Got some other stuff on my table, so for my next video. There you go. Boy, those colors pretty. That makes me think of the flags that they make. Okay, let me pull this aside here. Alrighty. And we're going to have some things here, so let's pull this out. Okay, and that goes with it. Okay. And here's a kitty cat little bookmark that they have here holding these papers. And so it says, this is the February box, 2020. And it's interactive, so you put your name here. It's going to be a bunting. You're going to insert a picture of your finished project. And so it tells you what all, I'm going to give you all the information about the fabrics and everything. So you're learning along with making your project. And then here has things, for example, about making your project. So you can keep this for the future in case you don't remember. So here it says what you used to make it. So you just write the information down. And then what you felt was the best part that you liked when you were making it, what step. And then what you liked best about it, and what skills did you learn. So if you learned something new making it, you could write that down. And then each page will have something different. And then you get to rate it yourself. That's what this is. Rate your project. Let me move it back a little bit. And then just answer the questions. Here's the back. These little things for yourself to do. And here's a color me in. So that's a color page. And if you feel like you're too old to do this, you can pass this on to younger brothers and sisters, cousins, whatever. And there's for you to be crafty. So you can create your own picture, draw a picture, maybe something you want to make in the future. And then here's some stickers. Let's see here. One. So you can put this on your calendar. Let me back it up a little bit so everybody can see it. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's just a page of stickers. That's the back of it. And then we have a practice worksheet for sewing. So what you would do, this has got a bunch of different papers in it, and I'll open it here in a minute, but let me show you the first thing. So this is straight line stitching, so you can do this without any thread or with thread, whatever your preference is to learn. This is how I did the very first video that I ever made, was taking a piece of paper and learning how to make a straight stitch. Let's see what all's in here. So we have the straight stitch. And then we have a maze, so you can work yourself around. Start down here at the bottom and just follow it until you have the whole thing done. That's a lot of really nice practicing. Just straight stitching. Don't have to do a zigzag. Here it's going to show you how to make it in a circle. Start here and go all the way to the end till you end up here. This is great practice. And if you feel like you need more than one sheet because you don't think you'll do very well, instead of using this sheet, just make copies of it and use the copies and keep these originals for yourself for later or for your friends to pass along to help them if they're having a problem with one kind of stitch. That's what I would do. And there you go. That's really neat. Just follow the arrow so it's teaching you something. And then I would use a different color of thread when I was doing mine. And then here you go, more sheets. Same thing, they even gave you a couple extras. See that? That's pretty neat. Okay, it looks like that's everything in a box. I'm gonna lay it all out here so everybody can see it. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And if we're lucky, Sean will take a video of him doing it, because I'm pretty sure he knows how to take a video. And then Grandma, who is the person that works with me, she can bounce it onto my phone, and then I can upload it for you guys to see if you'd like. All right? Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye till next time. All right, here is everything that was in the box. And I don't think that I mentioned that this here is the fusible for the bunting. This is some really, really neat things in this box. Now I will put all the information below, and you go to Creative Notions, the same website that Vicki has for her Creative Notions. It's on here. It's not a different website or anything. And I'll put it in the directions down below, so if you guys are interested. Now I only got this one box. I did not get a subscription, so there are different prices. You can check them out on our website. Thanks for watching. Bye.